Video 5? 6? I don't know. I don't care. Can I enter the? Bro, free entry, but because I'm, you know what? Let's end. Fine. I want to get out of this. I don't want to win this game, but I'm not gonna not try. You know. But the good thing is that there's no dagger douches. Get that shit out of here. Absolutely not. I'm bridging E-Giant. I don't care. Look at the damage. There's so much value out of that shit. It's fine though. Who cares? Not me, says me. Because he's lost. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter what you think. Because who are you? I don't even know. One hit. Why do you sound like it went off the twice? What the fuck? Yeah, yeah. Okay. I'll just do this again. I don't know why he thinks that I'm just not gonna. I took over half tower health last time. I'll just do that shit again. And I'll just take tower this time. The fuck? That might take every time. And he missed. Wow, this kid's honestly garbage. I can't believe I'm even in the competitive game with this kid. Wait. How am I in a competitive game with it? I don't know. What an idiot. No, I'm just gonna E-Giant that time. No, yes, no, shit, yes. You're trash. You're honestly garbage. I don't know why you thought you could compete with me. I'm not even trying, bro. Womp womp. I hate you. I hate you with a passion. You're trash. This kid. Oh. This kid made me want to kill myself. Can I, like, forfeit this challenge? Wait. My episodic chest? What? I didn't even plan on opening one. This one good. Oh, I use that. I can use that. Well, that's a win. GG's. First try.